Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Procore app for construction. So as you can see right here, we are on the website because currently we cannot really access the application itself. So you just have to open your Play Store or App Store and then download the app. Then if you have an access or you have a company already, of course you can access it. Now the first solution is the pre-construction. Okay, so right here on the pre-construction, leverage the power of connected BIM and design coordination. So bring together VDC field and operations teams with easy access to BIM models and design. Next one is the plan. So make pre-construction smoother by creating one hub for efficient and accurate team collaboration. Next is the tendering. Okay, so you can win more work with faster and more efficient tenders workflows to create packages, find the strongest possible tenders, and convert tenders to subcontracts as part of one workflow. Next, we have the execute. So quickly transition from pre-construction to course of constructions, preserve data in the handoff between teams by eliminating the need to switch between apps, and seamless transitioning from estimating. Next, we have the learn. So use insights from previous projects to improve the future outcomes. So get the tools to analyze the performance, uncover inefficiencies, and manage the tender faster. Next one is the project execution. So for the project execution right here, to increase your ability to meet deadlines and budgets, to manage all project activities in one hub to reduce surprises and make cost-conscious and efficient decisions. Teams that use Procore save an average of 15 days of every project. Now for the cost management, so understand the financial health of your project and portfolio to help minimize exposures and maximize profits with access to financial data. The work site, so allowing site and office teams to collaborate from one accurate budget. So that's for the cost management. Next is the quality and safety. So make it easier for teams to contribute to one and comply with construction safety regulations and quality specifications by using the purpose-built tools for the site. Next is the BAM design. So allow all the stakeholders to collaboration in 3D and 2D to help prevent costly mistakes. Coordinating a 3D model early on is impressive, so the entire project team understand what needs to be built to avoid on-site surprises. Next one is the resource management. Okay, so we have the resource tracking for this one. So here you can get paid to mitigate risk by capturing, documenting, and tracking out of scope work with day worksheet. Automatically notify the office team so they can generate a change request and secure payment. Okay, so here we have the Procore app. You can also protect your margins. Stay on track of using the Procore app on your mobile device. Right, so track quantities of materials instead of going there. Next, accelerate the payroll. So speed up the collection of time from your field teams by capturing the information your payroll system requires you. Okay, so this is a sample right here at the left side. Of course, you can win more work. Next solution, we have the financial management. Okay, so for the financial management, as you can see right here, we have the uncovered costs. So track your budget, forecast critical costs, make confident financial decisions by using site data to track and manage risk to your budget while staying in sync with your accounting system. Next, manage change. So document project changes and recap costs. Bring change management to the site with mobile tools that facilitate faster approvals and more accurate communication, eliminating the need to proceed at risk. Next is the connect teams. So connect the systems you use to manage project scope and program to the system you use to manage project costs, improve communication, eliminate double entry, and give finance, site teams, and trade partners actionable insights. Next is we have pay confidently. Okay, this one. So streamline progress, claim management to pay and get paid faster. Improve project and company cash flow and build better relationship with accurate and transparent payments. Next is the integration or the integrate part. So you can connect with the ERP solution that your finance team trusts, deliver relevant financial insights to the site and timely work site observations to stakeholders across your entire project portfolio. Okay, next solution is we have the Procore Helix. Okay, so for the Procore Helix, So we have streamline. So build smarter with insight to drive results. So get the tools you need to analyze the performance, uncover risk areas, and boost efficiency, helping you become safer and more profitable. Next is the visualize. So start making more accurate data-driven decisions. Procore stores all of your data in one place to make it more digestible and easier to monitor trends and see where you're exposed to risk and time to do something about it. Next is trust. So ensure the accuracy of data collected in the field. Standardize reporting and documentation and decide to make the data points about the state of your project and portfolio crystal clear. Next is the profit. So help stay in budget with improved cost visibility, drive more predictable profits by taking the guesswork out of forecasting. Okay, so for the learn section, so power smarter growth with actionable data. So Procore's intelligence-backed tools can help you. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.